Okay, hi guys, hello. Welcome you all to Learncrew and for the exciting news for today is we had an overwhelming response for our previous set of videos, that is for Super 20 test series for IBPS Clerical. Now we are bringing you the new program which is for your IBPS Clerical Mains, IBPS PO Prelims, Mains and also for your RRB. So do not waste any further. You won't get this kind of content anywhere on the YouTube. So please do subscribe to the channel. And in case if you are planning to start your preparation for your banking, SSC or for your railways, do look no further. We are having an exclusive program designed for you people to crack the exam much more conveniently with a rigorous study pattern. So do stay subscribed and follow us for more details. Enquiry form is given below. Please fill it up. Our team will give you a call back and we'll reach out to you and help you. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on IBPS PO Prelims 2024 Mock Test 1 Quantitative Aptitude Section Paper Analysis. So in our Super 20 test series on IBPS PO Prelims, so this is your first test as you all know very well. So if you can practice these 20 tests, remember guys, certainly definitely you're going to clear the prelims, provided if you are fully practicing all these 20 papers. Okay, so let us start our session. Thoroughly practice, thereby definitely you can clear. Follow these 20 mock tests every day. The first one is a question based on DI. Please see here. The given table shows the total marks obtained in a test by 4 persons A, B, C and D, and also given the marks obtained in quant section by these 4 persons. The test consists of 2 sections, namely quants and reasoning. Each section consists of 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. For every wrong question, 0.5 mark is deducted. All the persons were attended all questions in their exam. Total marks obtained 70 by A. A answered 12 wrong questions in quant section. B answered wrong questions in quant section is 4 more. Marks obtained by C in quant section is 38. And D, the number of wrong questions answered by D in quant section is 1 more than number of wrong questions answered by B in reasoning section. Now see here what is given for A. Total number of marks for A. Find the difference between the total marks obtained. Find the difference between total marks obtained by C and the total marks obtained in reasoning section by B and C together. Now let us see here. So here we have 4 persons A, B, C. What is given for A? I am finding individually for A, B, C and D. Okay. See, one is A, the other is B, next is C, next is D. Okay, we have 4 persons here. Now let us see here. Total marks obtained by A is 70. The total number of wrong questions answered, if it is the X. Okay, then what is given here? For every wrong question, 0.5 marks. 0.5 marks are deducted. If X questions are answered wrong, So the correct questions, 100 minus x minus of x into 0.5, because there is negative marking for wrong questions. Total marks for right questions, total marks for wrong questions. Together is 70. Together is 70. From this what I get? I get x as 20. X as 20. If x is 20, then number of wrong questions answered in quant section is given as 12. Number of wrong sections answered in quant is 12. If quant is 12, marks obtained in quants, marks obtained in quants would be 50 minus 12 minus 12 into 0.5. 12 into 0.5, which is 32 marks is obtained in quant. What about the number of wrong questions answered in the reasoning section? Number of wrong questions answered in the reasoning section would be 20 minus 12, which is 8. So marks obtained in reasoning section. Marks obtained in reasoning section. What would be the marks obtained in the reasoning section? Marks obtained in the reasoning section would be how much? It is 70 minus 32, which is 38. 38. So marks obtained in the quant is 32. So marks obtained in the reasoning is 38 for A. What about B? Total marks obtained is given as 76. 76. Number of wrong questions answered in total is x. In total is x. So I can write 100 minus x minus x into 0.5 is 76. Is 76. From this I get x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16. So number of wrong questions answered in the quant. Number of wrong questions answered in the quant would be B answered wrong questions in the quant section is 4 more. Is 4 more. Number of wrong questions answered in the quant section would be how much then? 16 plus 4 by 2, which is 10. Number of wrong questions answered in the reasoning. This is quant wrong. Wrong quant. So wrong in the reasoning would be how much? 16 minus 10. 16 minus 10, which is 6. Okay. So now marks obtained in quant. Marks obtained in quant would be 50 minus 10 minus 10 into 0.5, which is 35. Okay, 35. Now marks obtained in reasoning. Marks obtained in reasoning together is 76, so it would be 41. It would be 41. What about C? C, it is given the total marks obtained is 85. So same, if wrong questions are X, so correct question marks minus wrong question into 0.5, which is 85. If you simplify here, you will get X as how much? 10. X as 10. So marks obtained in quant section. Marks obtained in quant section would be 38, and total number of questions answered in the quant section is not known. Here total number of wrong questions answered in the quant section is not known. I am taking it as y. So 50 minus y into 0.5 is 38. From this I get y is equal to 8. Y is equal to, so number of wrong questions answered in quant. Wrong questions answered in quant is 8. Thereby wrong questions answered in the reasoning. Reasoning would be 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. So marks obtained in the reasoning section. Marks obtained in the reasoning section would be how much here? Marks obtained in quant is 38, total is 85. So in reasoning it would be 47. 47. What about D? D, it is given that the total marks is 80.5. So again 100 minus X, correct answered questions and wrong answered questions, X into 0.5 is equal to 80.5, is equal to 80.5. From this I can take X is equal to 13. And number of wrong questions answered by D in quant section is one more than number of wrong questions answered by B in reasoning. Now all data is known. So wrong questions in quant is equal to 6 plus 1, which is 7. Now number of wrong questions answered in reasoning. So total is 13, here 7, here 6, here 6. Now marks obtained in quant. Marks obtained in quant would be how much? Marks obtained in quant would be 50 minus 7 into 0.5, which is equal to 39.5. So marks obtained in reasoning would be how much? 50 minus 6 minus 6 into 0.5, which is 41. 41 because this total is 80.5. Now we have all the data. Now please see here the first question. Find the difference between the total marks obtained by C, the total marks obtained by C. What are the total marks obtained by C here? C, and the total marks obtained in the reasoning section by B and C together. Reasoning section, B is 41, C is 47. Thereby the answer is here 41 plus 47 minus 85. So it is 88 minus 85. The answer is 3. Now the number of wrong questions answered by in the reasoning section by C is what percent of the number of questions answered correctly by B. So number of questions answered correctly by B is 40. Out of 50, 10 are wrong. Okay. And C how many questions he answered wrong? 2. So now 2 out of 40. 2 out of 40 is 1 by 20. 1 by 20 means 5%. Now 38th question. The total number of questions answered correctly by E is 86. E, one more person. E is 86. And 9 questions wrongly in the reasoning section. 9 questions wrongly in the. So out of C, if E attended all the questions in the exam, then find the marks obtained by E in the quant section. So see what is given here. Total number of wrong questions attempted. It is given that he answered how many correctly? 86. So wrong questions attempted by E would be how much? 100 minus 86, which is 14. Now number of wrong questions answered by E in quant section, okay, will be how much? 14 minus 9, which is 5. So marks obtained by E in quant section would be how much? It is 50 minus 5 minus 5 into 0.5, which is equal to how much? 50 minus 7.5, which is 42.5. 42.5 is the answer. Now next, question number If A failed in the quant section by 3 marks and A scored 5 marks more than the cutoff marks in the reasoning section, then find the sum of the cutoff marks in the quants and reasoning section. So cutoff marks, he is failed by 3 marks. So in quant section, A scored how many marks? In quant section, A scored 32 marks. And he is failed by 3 marks. Thereby, cutoff marks Cutoff marks in quant is 32 plus 3, which is 35. Now, cutoff marks in reasoning would be 38 minus 5, which is 33. What is the sum of these two? Sum of these two would be how much? 68. Find the ratio of the marks obtained in the reasoning section by B to D. In reasoning, B and D scored 41, 41 only. Their answer is 1:1. Answer is 1:1. Now next one. Again one more DI you have based on bar graph. So here the given bar graph shows the total number of recipes, veg and non-veg, prepared in 5 different hotels, namely A, B, C, D and E respectively, and also given the total number of veg receipts prepared in 5 hotels. Selling price of each non-veg receipt prepared in hotel A is 120. Then find the total revenue earned by hotel A by selling all non-veg receipts. So here, see, the first one is total, second one is veg. Out of 120, 30 are veg, means 90 are non-veg. 90 are non-veg. So like that you have. Now see the 40 first question. What is given? Each non-veg receipt is 120. Find the total revenue earned by hotel A by selling all non-veg receipts. If 30 are veg, remaining 90 are non-veg. Each non-veg is 120. 90 into 120 is 10,800. Next question. Find the difference between the number of veg prepared in hotel B, number of veg prepared in hotel B and C together, and the number of non-veg prepared in D and E together. So if you see here, 40 plus 40 is veg and non-veg in D and E is 30 and 20. 30 and 20. So 80 minus 50, which is 30. So answer is 30. Answer is 30. Question number 43. In hotel F, the number of veg is 40, but in hotel F, next hotel, okay, veg is 40% more than that of D. Totally 40 receipts are prepared in hotel F. Then find the total number of non-veg receipts in F. So it's very clear how much here. The answer would be 26. The answer would be 26. Okay. So the total is given as 40. Total is given as 40. Okay. So in hotel F, the number of veg receipts prepared is 40% more than the number of veg receipts in where? Veg receipts in hotel D. Hotel D, how many are there? 10. 40% more than 14. Total is 40. So it has to be 26. Non-veg has to be 26. Next, 44. Find the ratio between the total number of non-veg receipts prepared in hotels A, B and C together to the total number of receipts prepared in hotel D and E together. So it is non-veg in A, B and C to total in D and E. So it is 90 plus 50 plus 20 non-veg to total in D and E. Total in D and E would be 40 and 50. So it is nothing but 160 is to 90. 160 is to 90 means 16 is to 9 is the answer. First option. Then 45. Out of the total number of veg receipts prepared in hotel C, 55% are paneer items. Find the number of paneer receipts prepared in hotel C. If you see here, hotel C, veg out of 40, 55% means 22. Number of paneer receipts in hotel C is how much? 22. So answer is 22. Answer is 22. Is 55% of 40, which is 22. Next question number 46 to 50. You have one more DI only. So what does this DI represent? The given pie chart shows the percentage distribution of the total number of students in 4 different cities: A, B, C, and D. Total number of undergraduate students in city E is 20% more than the number of undergraduate students in A, and the number of postgraduate students in E is 20% less than the number of postgraduate students in D. Find the total number of students in E. Number of students in all 4 cities is 10,000. Ratio of number of undergraduates to postgraduates in each city is 3:2. Total number of students is equal to total number of undergraduates plus postgraduates. This is what is given. Now see here, total number of students in city A is how much? It is 2,800, because total is 10,000. Thereby, number of undergraduate students in city A, number of undergraduates should be 3 by 5. 3 by 5, because the ratio is 3:2. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts are undergraduates and 2 parts are postgraduates. So 3/5 of 2,800, which is how much? 1680. 1680. What is remaining? 1120. Remaining is 1120. Remaining is 1120. Okay, so in A, like that. B total would be how much? 1500. C total would be 2500. D total would be 3200. Okay, and here how much? It is 900 and 600, graduate and postgraduate. Similarly here, out of 2500, 3/5 means 1500 and 1000. Out of 3200, 5 parts, each part 640, 3 parts 1920, and 2 parts 1280. Now the questions. Question number 46. What is given here? Total number of undergraduate students in E is 20% more than undergraduate students in A. So 1680 plus 20% of this. Okay. And the number of postgraduate students in E is 20% less than that of D. So it is 1280 minus 20%. So how much you are going to get? One is 120% of 1680. The other is 80% of 1280. So it is nothing but 2016. It is nothing but 1024. So sum of these two is 3040. So 3040 is the answer. Find the difference between the total number of undergraduate students in cities A and B together and number of postgraduate students in C and D together. So it is nothing but 1680 plus 900 minus 1000 plus 1280. So what is this difference? This difference is nothing but 300. So answer is 300. Next, number of undergraduate undergraduate students in city dash is dash more than number of postgraduate students in city D. Which of the following satisfy the blanks? 48th question. Number of undergraduate students in city A. City A is 400. City A is 400 more than the number of postgraduate students in city D. So because number of undergraduate students in city A is how much? It is number of undergraduate students in city A is 1680, which is 400 more than number of postgraduate students in city D, which is 1280. 1280 says 1680, 400 more high. So option the option B is going to satisfy the blank. Number of undergraduate students in city F is the average number of undergraduate students in city A and D together. A and D together. The total number of students of city F is 4820. 48. So number of undergraduate students in city A is how much? Number of Find the number of postgraduate students in city F. So if you see here, number of postgraduate students in F, number of postgraduate students in F would be how much? 4,820 minus 1680 plus 1920 by 2. So how much you are going to get? Which is 3020. 3020. Out of total number of students, if you subtract the undergraduates, you will get postgraduates. So answer is 3020. Next, find the ratio between the total number of undergraduate and total number of postgraduate students in all cities together. In all cities together. So all cities together 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. 3 is to 2. It's already given. Find the ratio between total number of undergraduate and total number of postgraduate students. It's already given as 3 is to 2. So answer is 3 is to 2. Answer is 3 is to 2. Next 51. 10, 23, 73. 10 into 2, 20 plus 3. 23 into 3 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4. So 73 into 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 into 5 plus 6. Next it has to be into 6 plus 7. So 6 plus 7 answer must end with 3. So 8953. 8953. Now 45, 110, 195, 303, 437 and missing term. So if you see here 45, here difference is 65, 110, here difference is 85, 195, 303, difference is 108, here difference is 134. So what has to be next difference? If you see here, here difference is 20, here is difference is 23, here difference is 26. So here difference has to be 29. 134 plus 29, 163, 437 plus 163, which is 600. So answer is 600. Answer is 600. Now 53, 16, 32 into 2 into 4 into 6. Am I correct? Into 6, then into 8, then into 10. Into 10 means you will get 61440. 61440. Now 54th question. 220, 200, 220, 200. 234. So see the alternate terms. Plus 14, again plus 14. Plus 18, again plus 18. So 236. 236 is the answer. Alternates, differences. One is plus 14, the other is plus 18. Now 100, 300, 516, 757. 1034. 100, 300. Difference is 200. Here difference is 216. Here difference is 241. Here difference is 277. So what has to be next difference? So here difference is 16. Here difference is 25. Here difference is 36. So next difference has to be 49. Perfect squares. 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square. 277 plus 49 is 326. So 1034 plus 326, which is 1360. 1360. Now, next one based on simplification. Root 60 means 40. 40. 1720 minus 32 into 25 is 800. 1720 minus 800 is 920. 920 minus how much is 40? 920 minus 880. So 4 into 220. 4 into 220 is actually 880. Next, 30. So here digital sum is how much? 0. Right? Now here you need how much is this? 3 into 7, 21. 21 means minus 21 means minus 3. Minus 3 means 6. 6 minus 6, 0, which has digital sum 0 here, 270. So 57th question, 270 has the digital sum 0, hence it is the answer. 0 or 9. Now please see here. It is how much? Cube root of 1331 is 11. 11 plus 604, 615. 615 plus 169 is 784. 784 means 28 square. 28 square, 28 square under root. 28. 7 by 28 by 7, 4. 4 means 2 square. 4 means 2 square. Am I correct? 58th question. 2. Next, root 1024 is 32. Root 576 is 24. 32 plus 24, 56. 56 minus 9, 47. 47 minus 17, 30. 47 minus, am I correct? 32 plus 24 is 56. 56 minus 9. 56 minus 9 is 47. 47 plus 17. 47 plus 17 is how much? 64. 64 is which square? 8 square. Next, 60th question. 10440 divided by 65. 65 ones are 65. 39 0. So it is 16 times. 1500 by 12. 125. 125. Am I correct? 1500 by 12. 12 12s are 144. 60. So it is how much actually? It is 16. It is 16. It is 125. 16 into 125 is equal to how much? 16 into 125. 16 into 125 is equal to x into 50 by 2 is 25. 25 5s are. So answer is 80. Answer is 80. Next, 61. A and B enter into a partnership with an investment of 4,000 rupees and 3,200 rupees. After 8 months, A left the business and B increased the investment by 25%. C joined the business with an investment of 6,000 rupees. If at the end of 1 year, the profit obtained by C is 3,000 rupees, then find the total profit obtained. So here, the ratio of profits, please see here, A's investment 8 months, B's investment how much? First 8 months 3,200. After that he increased by 1/4 of 3,200, 800, which that is 4,000 for the next 4 months. And C 6,000 rupees. His investment is there for 4 months. So the ratio of the profits is 20 is to 26 is to how much? 15. 15. Thereby, and here it is given that at the end of 1 year, the profit obtained by C, 15 parts is given as 3,000. 15 into 200. So 20 plus 26, 46 plus 15, 46 plus 61 parts. So 61 into 200, which will be 12,200. 12,200. So answer is 12,200. Now question number 62. 4 years ago, the ratio of the ages of M and V are 11:8. So now it would be how much? 11x plus 4, 8x plus 4. After 8 years, it would be 14:11. Find the difference between the present ages. So what is the difference between 11x and 8x, which is 3x? Which is 3x you need to find out. So here 11x plus 12, 11x plus 12 by 11x by plus 12 into 11 is equal to 14 into 8x plus 12. If you simplify this, what value of x is going to satisfy? X is 4. X is 4. If x is 4, then 11x minus 11x is the difference between two persons age always will be same. Okay, so 11x minus 8x 3x is answer is 12. So answer is 12 years. Answer is 12 years. A container contains 90 liters mixture of milk and water. The ratio of milk and water is 5:4. M liters of milk and n liters of water are added to the mixture. Then the ratio of milk to water in the container is 7:5. If m minus n is equal to 10, then find the value of m percentage initial quantity of milk in the mixture. See, in the initially you have out of 90, 5:4. So 50 and 40, 50 and 40. So some m liters of milk and n liters of water is added, thereby the ratio is m is to n. So from this what will you get? If you simplify, I will get 5m minus 7n is equal to 30. 5m minus 7n is equal to 30. Am I correct or not? 5m minus 7n is, but already it is given m minus n is equal to 10. M minus n is equal to 10 is the other. So if you solve these two, m is equal to 10 plus n, m is equal to 10 plus n. If you solve this, I will get n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10, thereby m is equal to 20. M is equal to 20. Now, what is asked? Find the value of m percentage. M percentage means 20 percentage of the quantity of milk. Initial quantity how much? 50. 20% of 50 is how much? 10. So answer is 10 liter. Answer is 10 liter. 10 liter means n. So answer is n. Answer is n. Now question number 64. A can complete a work in x plus 3 days and B can complete the same work in x plus 8 days. A and B together can complete the work in how much? 6 days. Then find the part of work completed by B in 5 days. So please see here, they together can complete the work in how much time? 6 days. xy by x plus y. X plus 3 into x plus 8 by sum of these two is 2x plus 11 is given as 6 days. If you simplify this, it is x square plus 11x plus 24 is equal to 12x, 11 6 are 66. So it is x square minus x minus 42. 42 is equal to 0. From this, I will get the value of x as 7 or minus 6. But x cannot be minus 6. X cannot be minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 7. B takes how much day, how much time? X plus 8. So B takes 15 days to complete the work. In 1 day, 1 by 15. In 5 days, 1 by 3rd. 1 by 3rd. Next, 65. Ratio of upstream to downstream speed are 7:5. Boat covers x plus 40 km downstream in 6 hours and boat covers x minus 1 km upstream in 7 hours. So the upstream speed and downstream speed, if one is 7k, the other is 15k. Okay, 7k and 15k, 7:15 ratio. And it is given that downstream how much? Downstream it is covering x plus 40 with a speed of 15k. 15k in 6 hours. It is given as 6. and x minus 1 kilometer in the upstream with a speed of 7k in 7 hours. So what you can say now? So I can say x plus, I am dividing this by this, thereby I will get, by solving these two, means by dividing this by this, I will get x is equal to how much? What value of x is going to satisfy? What value of x is going to satisfy? If you solve, if you simplify from the, if you check from the options, 65, what value of x is going to satisfy? 50 plus 40, 90. 90 by 15, 6, right? 49 by 7, 7. So x is 50. X is 50 is going to satisfy. So answer is 50. Next, the ratio of the number of, the ratio of the radius to the height of cylinder is 7 is to 10. 7 is to 10. And the volume of cylinder is 12320. Find the total surface area of the cylinder. So here pi r square h, pi r square h is 10x is 12320. Thereby from this what we will get? We will get x is equal to, what value of x is going to satisfy? X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is going to satisfy. Thereby radius is 14 and height is 20. We are asking, it is asked for the total surface area of cylinder. The total surface area of cylinder would be 2 pi r into h plus r. So 7 2s are 14. 22 into 2, 44 into 2, 88 into 34, which is 2992 centimeters square is the answer. Now next question. A car covers a certain distance in x hours and truck covers certain distance in 8 hours. And the ratio of the distance covered by the car to truck is 5 is to 6. If the ratio of the speed of car to truck is 2 is to 3 and the truck covers 600 kilometers in x hours, find the speed of the car. Find the speed of the car. Distance covered by the car, I am taking as, distance covered by the car, I am taking as 5k and truck I am taking as 6k. Speed of the car and truck I am taking as 2x and 3x. X is given, I am taking 2p and 3p. 2 is to 3 ratio. 2 is to 3 ratio. So from this what I can say, it is given that a car covers certain distance in x hours, certain distance in x hours. So what is the speed of the car here? 2p. Yes or no? This 2p is equal to 5k. 2p is equal to 5k by x. From this I will get p is equal to 5k by 2x. Similarly, I have 3p is equal to 6. Here what? A truck covers distance in 8 hours. So 3p is the speed. Speed is equal to distance 6k time 8. 6k by 8. From this I have got p is equal to how much? P is equal to here 3 2s are 6, 2 4s are k by 4. K by 4. So 5k by 2x is equal to k by 4. K cancel. Therefore I got x is equal to how much? 10. X is equal to 10. And speed of truck would be 600 divided by, truck covers 600 kilometers in x hours. 600 divided by 10, which is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. And speed of car. So their speeds are in the ratio 2 is to 3. If it is 3 parts, it is 2 parts, which is 40 kilometer per hour. 40 kilometer per hour. So answer is 40. Next, speed of the boat is 33.33 percentage more than 33.33 percentage more than the speed of the stream. Speed of the stream. Boat covers 84 kilometers downstream in 4 hours. Find the time taken by the boat to cover 36 kilometers upstream. So here, speed of the stream, if it is K, speed of the stream it is Y, then speed of the boat in still water would be 33.33 percentage more, means 4Y. Am I correct? Speed of the boat is 33.33 percentage more than the speed of the stream. So if the speed of the stream is right, sorry, if it is Y, it is 1/3 more. So if it is 3Y, it is 4Y. If it is 3Y, it is 4Y. So total, so what I am taking is speed of the stream, if it is some Y, then speed of the boat in still water would be Y plus 1/3 of Y, which is 4/3 of Y. 4/3 of Y means this is nothing but 4Y and 3Y. 4Y and 3Y I can take. 4Y and 3Y. Thereby, a boat covers 84 kilometers downstream in 4 hours. So 84 by 7Y is equal to 4. From this, I got Y as how much? Y as how much? 3. Y as 3. Thereby, speed of the boat is how much? 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 3, 12. Yes or no? Find this time taken by the boat to cover 36 kilometers upstream. 36 kilometers upstream means 4Y minus 3Y, which is 36 by Y. 36 by 3. How much? 12 hours. Okay. It is downstream time taken. It is upstream time taken. Upstream time taken. Next. A bag contains 3 blue balls, 4 black balls, and 5 red balls. Find the approximate probability of getting first one is blue ball, then black ball, then red ball, when 3 balls are picked one after the other without replacement. So there is no replacement is done. Thereby the probability would be 3C1 by 12C1 into 4C1 by 11C1 into 5C1 by 10C1. So how much you are going to get? 1 by 4 into 4 by 11 into 5 by 10. It is nothing but 4 cancel. 4 cancel. So the answer is the how much? 3 by 12 means 1 by 4. It is 4 by 11. 4 by 11, 5 by 10. So the answer would be 5 by 10 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So answer is approximately how much? 0.04. 0.04. Next. Last question. Question number 17. Question number 17 in the quantitative aptitude section. So perimeter of the isosceles triangle is 72 meter. Perimeter of the isosceles triangle means it is 2A plus B is 72. And the base of the isosceles triangle is 32. Find the area of the isosceles triangle. So the base means the unequal side, which is given as 32. 2A plus 32 is 72. Thereby 2A is 40. Thereby A is 20. If A is 20 and B is 32, then the area would be how much? B by 4 under root over 4A square minus B square. So B is 32 by 4, 4A square, 4 into 20 square minus B square, 32 square. So 32 by 4 is 8 and it is how much? 20 square is 400, 400 into 4 is 1600 minus 1024, which is 576, under root is 24. So 8 into 24 is 192. So answer is 192. Answer is 192. So this is the end of today's quant paper analysis. Okay. So please go through each and every question. Be thorough with the all questions, and definitely it is very clear that whatever we are discussing, definitely your paper would be simply replica of our practice sessions. Okay, so we'll again connect in our next session. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Hope you all loved the video and we added some value to you. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel firstly. And if you are looking to join for the banking program or for SSC or for the RRB, so don't go further. You have the option of an online class, offline class, or even hybrid mode, or even the recorded classes. Whichever is your easy mode of access, please do join for that. And how to join, the details, everything is given below in the description. You can go back and check it out. And our Learncrew app is available both on Play Store as well as on App Store. Check it out and download it and have the complete subscription for it.